ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 205. Purva Paksha had raised the question using Arthapatti. If Atma is asamsari, then Shastra is for whom? So see Bhashya now, second paragraph. परस्या दुःखित्वे अन्यस्य च दुःखिनो अभावे दुःखोपशमनाय शास्त्रारंभ अनर्थक्यम इति चेत्. This is Purva Paksha. Parasya adukhitve. Paramatma is not dukhi. Para means Paramatma. Anyasya cha dukhino abhave. There is no other Chaitanya other than Paramatma Chaitanya. There is only one Chaitanya. There is nobody else who is dukhi. Dukhino abhave. Dukha upashamanaya shastrarambha anarthakyam. For dukha upashamana, shastrarambha means shastra adhyanam is of no use. Tasya anarthakyam iti chet. Iti means this is the shanka. Tika. Avidya vidyamanam atmastham anartha brahmam nirakartum tadarambha sambhavati. Iti anyatha upapatya samadhate. Arthapatti Pramana says there is anyatha anupapatti. This point you register. Arthapatti Pramanam will say anyatha anupapatti. Anyatha anupapatti means in any other way it is not possible. If we can show some other way it is possible, it will be called or anyatha upapatti. Earlier it was anyatha anupapatti. Now it is anyatha upapatti. Upapadanam means to do siddhi. It's called upapadanam. Upapatti means siddhi. So in some other ways we can show, for example, person who is fat, Devadatta, pinatvam asti. Because he is pinaha, therefore he is having ratri bhojanam. This kalpana somebody does. So we can say there is anyatha upapatti. What is anyatha upapatti? Diva bhojanam. He can be eating at daytime. If you prove he is not eating at daytime and he is fat, then there is anyatha anupapatti. Right? But if you say he is fat, therefore he is eating at night, that is not must. He could be eating during the daytime. So that is this line. Purva Pakshi said, Shastra anarthakyam, because there is no samsari. Siddhanti says, Avidya vidyamanam atmastham anartha brahmam. Avidya, the vigraha will be avidyaya vidyamanam, right? Can you hear me?
Yes, Swamiji.
Avidyaya vidyamanam. The Bhranti is due to avidya. Avidyaya vidyamanam atmastham anartha brahmam. Atmastham anartha brahmam. Bhranti is there about what? No, you have to explain the line. Bhranti is about what?
Atmastham.
Anartha in
Atma.
Atmastham anartha brahma. Right? What is anartha? Dukkha. Dukkha is anartha. Dukkha is kartum. So what is said here? Really nobody is samsari. There is only one Chaitanya. But due to Bhranti, somebody can feel I am samsari or not. Yes. Where is that Bhranti coming from? Avidya. So because of avidya, Bhranti is there. To remove that avidyaka samsaritva Bhranti, Shastra is useful. Shastra is justified in this way. Means anyatha upapatti is there. Purvapakshi said there is no sansari. Therefore Shastra is anartha. We said yes, there is no sansari. But avidyaka sansaritva is there. To remove avidyaka samsaritva Bhranti, Shastra can be used. अनर्थ भ्रमं निराकर्तुं तदारंभः संभवति इति अन्यथा उपपत्त्या समाधत्ते. थ्रू अन्यथा उपपत्ति समाधानम इज डन. भाष्य न अविद्या अध्यारोपित दुःखित्व भ्रम अपोहार्थत्वात्. अविद्या अध्यारोपित दुःखित्व भ्रम तस्य अपोहार्थत्वात्. That Bhranti is eliminated. Apoharthatvat Shastrarambha iti Sheshana. 4 number tippani. Adhyaropa means another word is Adhyasa. Adhyasa Shabda. How is the Vyutpatti? Adhi Upasarga Purvaka. What is the Dhatu?
Asthatu.
Asukshepane Dhatu. And Ghaya Pratyaya. Adhi Upasarga Purvaka Asukshepane Dhatu. Means something is thrown. Dukkhitva is thrown on Atma out of Ajnana. Atma means on myself. I constantly am burdened by this thought. I am Dukhi, etc. Or somebody will take away what never belonged to me. That Drashtanta. In Gangaji, you know, the flow is there from Uttarkashi, and in the cold weather, people love some blankets. So some black thing, not black thing, this some bag, box kind of thing, wooden box is going on. And somebody feels, oh, this is useful. This might have some jewelry. You start swimming and go towards it. By then, Gangaji's flow is there. It has to go to Haridwar. So you are going closer and closer, and that thing is moving farther and farther. You touch it and it is gone. And you thought, I lost my jewelry. So I lost my jewelry means this is Adhyaropita. It was never yours to begin with. Dukkham is never belonging to Atma. The Bhranti is there. Parasyaiva avidyakrita sansaritva Bhranti dhvamsartham shastram iti etad drashtantena spashtayati. Parasyaiva. Parasya means Paramatmanaha. Para means Paramatmanaha, Brahmanaha. Eva avidyakrita sansaritvam means who? Remember, it is not that Jiva is samsari, he will study Shastra. Jiva is samsari, he will study Shastra, he will become Brahma. No. Brahma out of avidya thinks he is samsari. he will study Shastra. Avidya will go. Who will remain? Brahma. So many times people have this notion. Jiva is studying Shastra, Jiva will become Brahma. This is a Gauna Vakya. Mukhya Vakya is Brahma is studying Shastra because Brahma out of Avidya thinks I am samsari. And this will become even more clear in 1.4.10. This is 1.4.7. Avidyakrita samsaritva bhranti dvansartham shastram. Now Drishtanta is given. See, Prasiddha Drishtanta, Bhashyakar uses Atmani Prakrita Sankhya Apurana Brahma Apohavat Kalpita Dukkhatma Abhyupagamachya. Dukkhatma Abhyupagamachya. Atmani Prakrita Sankhya Apuranam. Atmani means in the 10th man, Dashame. He stands here and he counts other 9 people, 1 to 9. Then he is not happy. He feels 10th man is lost. He will go back in the line. Somebody else will come and count. He will also count the same thing. So therefore, there is Sankhya Apuranam. Apuranam means something is missing. Somebody is missing. Something is lacking. Prakrita Sankhya is 10. Dashamatva Sankhya. So this is out of Brahma because he is forgetting to counting himself. This is the best example, Dashamaha, for Jnanam taking place through Shabda. Shabda Matra should produce Jnana. Dashamastvamasi, nothing else is needed. Shabda will produce Jnanam, Shabda alone will produce Jnanam, Shabda alone will produce Aparoksha Jnanam. All 3 statements. Shabda will produce Jnanam, not Dhyanam. Shabda will produce Aparoksha Jnana. And Shabda alone will, means it is eliminating any other possibility. I have been thinking about this point, and sometime if opportunity comes, I will elaborate. What is the difference between Jnanam and Dhyanam? And you all also should think. Jnanam and Dhyanam. And in this, according to Vedanta Prakriya, Jnanam is superior to Dhyanam. According to Vedanta Prakriya, Jnanam is superior to Dhyanam. And wherever if you find, Jnana Dhyanam Vishishyate, like in Gita, it is meant for person, either he has not understood Jnanam or he has Paroksha Jnanam. Highest is Jnana. That's why Vedanta is called Jnana Yoga, or in Vedas it is called Jnana Kanda. Why it is not called Dhyana Kanda? It's Karma Kanda and Dhyana Kanda. There is no Dhyana Kanda. Dhyanam is Gaunam. In this world, Dhyanam has become popular. Jnanam is important. Always remember. In Vedanta Paribhasha, this also will be clarified, but I will elaborate sometime. It's a fascinating topic. Because, why it is fascinating, Because it will destroy Bhranti. That's why it is fascinating. Tika. Yattu parasya adukhitvam anyasya cha dukkhino asatvam tatraha. Because para is adukhi, Paramatma is not dukhi, and anya dukhi is not there. dukkhino asatvam anyasya. So it is said, kalpita dukhi atma can be there. Like how these people had kalpana, dashamaha nashtaha, dashamo nashtaha. And then they all were dukhi out of kalpana only. न तावत् परस्मात् अन्यो दुखी नान्यो अतो अस्ति द्रष्टा इत्यादि श्रुतेः. There is no other Chaitanya itself who can be dukhi. Why? Ataha anyo drashta na asti. Ataha, ataha means parasmat. Parasmat anyo drashta nasti. This is important Shruti. There is only one Chaitanya. There is no other. If I understand I am that, there is no other Chaitanya. So our thinking should be this: I am this Chaitanya. Not that I am Chaitanya Pratibimba and there are so many other. This Chaitanya Pratibimba is in Prakriya. Because in the beginning I cannot understand I am Shuddha Chaitanya. And I feel I am different, everybody is different. So they say, okay, you are not Chaitanya. You are Chaitanya Pratibimba. So the Shishya will think, this is good. So, lifetime, if you think I am Chaitanya Pratibimba, and who will get moksha? Chaitanya Pratibimba. And what is the nature of moksha? I am Chaitanya Pratibimba. If I understand I am Chaitanya Pratibimba, is not moksha. I am Chaitanya is moksha. Sapunar anadi anirvachya ajnana sambandhat तज्जन्यैर बुद्ध्यादिभिः ऐक्याध्यासम् आपन्नः संसरति. सः परमात्मा पुनः अनादि अनिर्वाच्य अज्ञानम. अज्ञान लक्षणम is given. What is the अज्ञान लक्षणम? अनादित्वे सति ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्वम. It is jnana. Other things you can add. It is anadi, anirvachya. Anirvachya means sadasatbhyam anirvachaniyam. Then
bhavarupam.
Bhavarupam. Then jnana virodhi. Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha talks about it. Anadi Anirvachya Ajnana Sambandhat Tajjanyair Buddhyadibihi Aikya Adhyasam Apannaha. Tajjanya means Ajnana Sambandha Janya. Because of Ajnanam, association of Atma and Ajnanam, what it causes? Adhyasa with Buddhi. Buddhyadibihi Aikya Adhyasam means I think I am Buddhi. And then samsarati. तथा च कल्पिताकार द्वारा दुःखिनः परस्य आत्मनो अंगीकारान् नार्थापत्तेर उत्थानम इत्यर्थः. तथा च कल्पित आकार द्वारा. कल्पित आकार here means कल्पित अज्ञान आकार. In other words, I have kalpita dukkhitvam, and therefore Paramatma with kalpita samsaritvam, ajnana kalpita samsaritvam can be dukhi. So Shastra is sarthakam. Shastrarambha is sarthaka. Arthapatti, Purva Pakshi was showing, is not needed. परस्य आत्मनो अंगीकारात् न अर्थापत्तेः उत्थानम, अर्थापत्ति उत्थानम you should not do. With this, all questions are eliminated. Now we are back to pravesha. All other questions are over with this. Not that the commentary of this is over. There is still long way to go. Parasya praveshe praptam. So, but one topic is complete here. Parasya praveshe praptam dosha paramparam parakritya. Tat pravesha swarupam nirupayati. So in Paramatma's entry regarding that, all the doshas, defects that different people showed, they all are parakritya, nirakritya. Their nirakaranam is done. Now what is the nature of entry? Pravesha swarupam nirupayati. Means this much is confirmed. I am Brahma, there is no doubt. Right? I am Sansari only because of avidya. Avidya will go only by Vidya. Vidya will come only through Upanishad. Upanishad means Upanishad studies, Shravana. At least these points are very clear now. So no other effort, no energy should be wasted in anything else. The whole purpose of this study is this. Where should I focus? This is where you focus. Like if they tell, here there is oil. Dig here. Where will you dig? You say, I'll dig there, I'll dig there, I'll dig there. You will not get anything. All your effort should be here. All concentration should be here. Like that. Jala Suryadi Pratibimbavat Atma Praveshasya. Pratibimba, not Pratibimba. Pratibimbavat Vyakrite Karya Upalabhyatvam. Jala Suryadi Pratibimbavat. Like Surya is there, its Pratibimba takes place in Jala. Jale Suryadi Pratibimbavat. Atma Praveshasya. Atma Pravesha, Atmanaha Pravesha. Pratibimbavat Vyakrite Karye. Vyakrita Karye. So earlier it was Tadhedam Tarhi Avyakritam Asit. Now it is Vyakrita. In Vyakrita Nama Rupabhyam Asau Nama Idam Rupam Iti. In that Karya, this Upalabdhi of Atma is called what? Pratibimbanam. What is Pratibimba? Atma available in Buddhi is called Atma is Pratibimbita. So somebody asked, so for Pratibimba, Atma should be there, Anatma is here, then there is a reflection, right? Aap pooch rahe. So it is not like that. Atma, which is otherwise not available for any Vyavahara, is now available in Buddhi as Sakshi. This is called Pratibimba. And because of identification with Buddhi, that Atma calls itself Pramata. Means Karta, Bhokta, Vyavaharta, ityadi. Karya Upalabhyatvam. So this main point here is Pratibimba means Atma Upalabdhi in Karya. Karya means Buddhi. This is called Pratibimba. Pratibimba means don't have any other idea, reflection, okay. So something is happening. Atma is now available in Buddhi, Antakarana. Karye Upalabhyatvam is called Pratibimba. Yatha Jale Suryadehe Pratibimba Lakshanah Pravesho Drishyate. तथा आत्मनो अपि सृष्टे कार्ये काल्पनिकः प्रवेश इत्यर्थः. See, Tikakar makes it very clear now. Just as Surya is available as Pratibimba, Pratibimba Lakshanah Praveshaha. What is the Samasa Vigraha? अतिथि समास विग्रह अस्य कः प्रवेश प्रतिबिंब लक्षण इस प्रवेश अन्य पद इज व्हाट इन समास प्रवेश प्रतिबिंबो लक्षणो यस्य सह प्रतिबिंब लक्षण प्रवेश लक्षण इज नपुंसकलिंग और पुल्लिंग
नपुंसकलिंग
नपुंसकलिंग लक्षणम बट हियर because anya padartha is pullinga therefore pratibimba lakshana is given तथा आत्मनो अपि सृष्टि कार्ये काल्पनिकः प्रवेश C4 नंबर टिप्पणी वाय काल्पनिक शास्त्रादिवत प्रवेशस्यापि कल्पितत्वात् शास्त्र इज कल्पितम और नॉट कल्पितम प्रवेश इज also कल्पित see the vartik there शास्त्राचार्यादयो यद्वन् मोहोत्थत्वान्न वस्तुतः प्रवेशोप्यस्य तादृक् स्यादैकात्म्य प्रतिपत्तये यद्वत् just like shastra acharya they all are na paramarthika why mohothatvat they are arising from moha in the same way pravesha is also kalpanika pravesho api asya tadrak means na vastutah syat then why all so many kalpanas shastra kalpana acharya kalpana pravesha kalpana why it is given in the shloka aikatmya pratipattaye for ekatmya pratipatti so that I get this jnanam I am brahma for that only shastra kalpana is done acharya kalpana is done pravesh means this pravesh discussion is to remind me I am brahma so that after this session I don't cry this is a reminder further you see second shloka व्याकृता व्याकृता अवस्थे जगतोस्य स्वभावतः अनूद्य लोकतो दृष्टे तद्याथात्म्यं प्रबोध्यते जगतः अस्य जगतः स्वभावतः द्वे अवस्थे दिस जगत by itself by its nature it has two avasthas vyakrita avyakrita having mentioned that so because earlier it was avyakritam then it became vyakritam all this is to reveal it is mithya anudya lokatah drashte tad yathatmyam prabodhyate its anuvada is done why because lokatah drashte lokadrashtya there is jagat srishti sthiti pralaya so that is said here then its yathatmyam will be it is mithya like ghata we saw this in ghata bhashya ghata is avyakrita in mrittika then it becomes vyakrita then it will become avyakrita therefore it is vacharambanam vikaro namadeyam mrittike tyavasatyam so here whatever has vyakrita avyakrita avastha is vacharam this is the bodha this is what they want to teach instead if we go somewhere in tangent we lose the main prayojanam mukhya prayojanam we forget further in tika anavachinna advaya chiddhator vastvantarena sannikarsha sambhavat न प्रतिबिंबाख्य प्रवेशः संभवति इति आशंक्य वस्त्वंतर कल्पनया कल्पित सन्निकर्षादि आदाय प्रतिबिंब पक्षम साधयति अनवच्छिन्न अद्वय चिद धातु. Paramatma is anavachinna, advaya means advitiya, and chaitanya rupa, chiddhatu. So, chiddhatu means chinmatra. Vastuantarena sannikarsha asambhavat. With any other vastu which is not there, as samana sattaka, sannikarsha, association, sanyoga is not possible. Therefore, how pratibimba is possible? Na pratibimbakhya pravesha sambhavati. People have, normally when we study in the beginning, we feel like this. Jal is here, Surya is there, pratibimba. So, Buddhi is here, Atma must be somewhere. And how its pratibimba will come? And it is nirupa. It is rupa rahita. Pratibimba in mirror, Akasha pratibimba doesn't come. Only rupa pratibimba comes. So, Purva Paksha will say, Nirupasya Atmanaha Katham Pratibimba. इति आशंक्य वस्तुअंतर कल्पनया कल्पित सन्निकर्षादि आदाय. एवरीथिंग एल्स इज कल्पित. वस्तुअंतर भी कल्पित. प्रतिबिंब इज आल्सो कल्पित. कल्पित सन्निकर्ष इज देयर. आदाय प्रतिबिंब पक्षम साधयति. So from this discussion, the Vivaranacharya expounded Pratibimba Vada, because all this Pratibimba Shabda is very clear here, and these, some of these things are main thing, like in Brahadaranyaka we started studying it, but this portion is all Vedanta Prakriya, and that's why Bhashyakar is taking so much time to elaborate. Atma iti Atma praveshascha Pratibimbavad vyakrite. Tadeva prapanchayati. Now he explains this elaborately. प्रागुत्पत्तेर अनुपलब्ध आत्मा पश्चात कार्ये च सृष्टि व्याकृते बुद्धेः अन्तः उपलभ्यमानः. उत्पत्तेः प्राग अनुपलब्ध आत्मा. कस्य उत्पत्तेः प्राग अनुपलब्ध आत्मा? C1 नंबर टिप्पणी. जगत उत्पत्तेः प्राग Atma was anupalabdha. Atma is there. But if Srishti is not there, there is no medium. It is like there is so much light. But light is available only when it gets reflected from something. Right? If there are no objects, like in space, stars and everything is there. But we always see it as dark, because there doesn't have any medium for reflection. So Atma before creation is anupalabdha. Paschat karya cha srishti, when karya srishti takes place, then it is upalabdha. Upalabhyamanaha. Vyakrite buddhehe antaha. Upalabhyamanaha. Upalabhyamana is shanacha pratyaya. Suryadi प्रतिबिंबवत जलादौ कार्यम सृष्ट्वा, ट needs halant, सृष्ट्वा प्रविष्ट इव लक्ष्यमाणो निर्दिश्यते, as if it has entered, just like Surya has entered as if in the jalam. It is not, it has not entered. Bhranti is there. So karyam srishtva pravishtaha. This is the mukhya vakya. Tat srishtva tadevanu pravishat. So that srishti and then pravesha iva lakshyamano nirdishyate. Sa esha iha pravishtaha. This is the Brahadaranya quotation. Sa esha iha pravishtaha. Anakha grebhyaha. Tat srishtva tadevanu pravishat. This is Taittiriya. स एतमेव सीमानं विदार्य एतया द्वारा प्रापद्यत. दिस इज फ्रॉम ऐतरेय. सीमानं विदार्य means from here, vidriti. Then सेयम देवताई क्षत अंत अहम इमास तिस्रो देवता अनेन जीवेन आत्मना अनुप्रविश्य नाम रूपे व्याकरवाणी इति एवं आदिभिः. दिस इज छांदोग्य 6th chapter. So all 4 Vedas he has given, or at least Shukla Yajurveda, Krishna Yajurveda, Rig Veda and Sama Veda. Atharvana Veda is not given. But that should be Vidyarthi's homework. They should think, okay, where in Atharva Veda some such pravesha is given. Swabhipretam pravesham pratipadya pareshtam parachaste. Swabhipreta pravesha is explained. Whatever Vedanti wants to show, this is what we understand as pravesha. Now pareshtam, somebody else coming with their ideas, it's parachaste means its nirakaranam is done. This we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarajanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.